Titomic, welcome to the Rocket City. Cold spray has come to town, but I'm gonna promise you, this is a start of something special. This community is proud to support defense, space, and aerospace industries. We're committed to Titomic. When Titomic first explored U.S. expansions, I made a commitment. If you choose Huntsville, I'll do everything I can to help you be successful, and I meant every word of it. I support financing efforts through Innovate Alabama. I support Titomic's inclusion of office and strategic capital funding programs, and I back Titomic's onshore efforts. All of these actions were a way to support President Trump's priorities in bringing companies back to America. This right here is going to make America stronger, but it's also going to make all of our partners stronger. Titomic uses revolutionary technology on their additive manufacturing process to speed up fabrication and repair while lowering cost. I'm proud of Titomic's work to support the President's Golden Dome initiative. Titomic's capabilities could become a key part of protecting and defending the U.S. and allies' interests from airborne and missile threats. Thank you again for choosing this facility. Your finest days are still ahead.